I'm Robert Mutchnick, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm a board member and treasurer for Third Mutual. I'm here today to talk about our ballot proposition. I want to start by saying I owe you an apology. I'm the person who was responsible for the matrix, Exhibit E, page 136 of the CC&Rs. From feedback through emails and phone calls, you've shared with us your concerns and confusion regarding the matrix. I want you to know that we have heard you loud and clear, and I intend to fix the problem. You need to know that there was never any intent by me or the board to shift any additional maintenance responsibilities to you, the homeowner. When the matrix was completed, there were, to put it simply, errors made by me in checking the boxes that indicate whether the owner or the mutual is responsible. These errors were unintentional, but errors still the same, and you have pointed them out to us. You have my word, that is homeowners, of which I'm one, that you will not have any additional maintenance responsibilities under the newly restated CC&Rs. Whatever we, as homeowners, were responsible for under the current resolutions, we will continue to be responsible for, and the mutual will continue to be responsible for everything else. These errors are what are typically described as Scrivener's errors, which is a legal term that relates to the non-deliberative errors made in writing a final document. I, the Scrivener or scribe, mischecked some of the boxes. I literally placed who was responsible for maintenance obligations in the wrong column of the matrix. As I said, this was my mistake, and I take full responsibility. I have discussed this with the full board, and we will be correcting the matrix as soon as possible. And we'll share it with you by posting the revised matrix with the correct responsibility designation in the correct column on Third Mutual's document page located at the Laguna Woods Village website. Let me make this clear. When the ballot proposition passes, there will be no change in the existing maintenance responsibilities in place for Third Mutual, meaning the maintenance responsibilities of the homeowners will be exactly as they are now. The board will correct the error. Some of you have asked, why can't we just strike Exhibit E, the matrix, from the ballot proposition? The answer, legally, because voting is in process, the proposed Third Mutual CC&Rs and bylaws cannot be altered or amended in any way. We must wait until after the voting is complete and the ballot measure has been approved to attach the revised matrix. You will, however, be able to review online the revised matrix as a separate document. We're in the process of making that available to all of you on our website's document page. When the proposition passes, we will then be able to legally attach the revised matrix with the corrections to the approved CC&Rs. If you have questions, and I know you do, please text or call the ballot proposition hotline at 949-354-4199. Address your questions to me, Robert Mutchnick, and I'll be happy to answer. Once again, I sincerely apologize for the accidental misinformation in the matrix and for the confusion that it has created. We understand how difficult this decision is. We are listening to you, and we are reaffirming here that we will address these issues by correcting the CC&Rs consistent with my representations in this statement, by which the entire board agrees to be bound. We thank you for your voices and for being truly engaged in this important vote. I hope that you will allow us to make the village the best place it can be. Thank you.